Hey Joshua, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what this is a fig plant. So first I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, that is basically what the product looks like inside. Let's take it all out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So for the plants that we got right here is basically like a fig succulent plant. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. So they have the fig plant right here, but they also have like the fig dirt as well. So if you guys are trying to look for some plants, but if you guys are not committed or if you guys don't have time to look over your plant and water them, definitely getting one of these is actually pretty nice. Like when you guys look at the plants on here, it looks like a real plant, which is kind of cool. And these plants are not that big either. It's like a really small plant. It's actually smaller than like a soda can. So whether you want to put this in your home or your office or anywhere else to decorate like a room or something to make it look a bit more green, then you should definitely invest in one of these right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty cool. And the little cup that they use to hold the plant, it won't break either because the material that's on here is like plastic. And if you guys notice, for each one of these plants is different. If you guys are curious about what each different plant is, they actually tell you guys before you guys purchase it on the actual listing. And if you guys are curious about what is underneath each one of these plants, let me show you what it is. So let's say if I just take out this one. That is basically what the inside looks like. So all this is like a stick-on plant. So it's really easy for you guys to take care of it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are someone who is like super busy and you guys don't have time to watch your plant or water your plant, then definitely getting one of these is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.